Hey guys, I wanted to give you a little update on the Cane now that 2021 is over. The latest modifications on the car is UPR Products anti-roll bar, competition engineering rear shocks, and 42-pound injectors. Here we are, Atlanta Dragway. First pass off the trailer, 1183, 116. Came back around for a second pass, launched a little harder, was rewarded with an 1173 at 115.7. The car is still running a little bit warm. Turns out that the electric fan was too weak. Since this outing, I've switched to dual fans, and I can hold the car at 120 degrees if I want, so we're good to go there. Unfortunately, Atlanta Dragway is no longer, so we won't be getting many opportunities to go to the quarter-mile tracks anymore, so I'll be focusing more on 8th mile, probably up at Shadyside. 749 at 92 was the best 8th mile so far, so we'll see if we can improve on that.